Man who ran away from 37K bill pays tuition fees for 30 UNISA poor students. The 37K businessman donate R1.5 million to 30 UNISA disadvantaged students who are struggling to pay their fees. The businessman also bought the former President Jacob Zuma a cap for R5,000, auctioned during the dinner at Cape Town's International Convention Center. The so-called hero of the week aims to assist poor people with housing, education, and clothes, not alcohol, as he claims he wanted to set an example. The 37K man says he donate money to the poor because he believe it is important to share what he had with the poor, not slay queens who just want to drink 37K while they not even doing anything that can sustain their lives. The reason he bought Zuma a t-shirt is because Zuma's education trust had focused on paying school fees for the poor, but had been unable to pay for uniforms, and other poverty challenges.
Yeah.